Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to strike through in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat Pro, just click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Acrobat Pro, striking through text is easy using the commanding tools. Now, I want you to hover to the file that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be using this file, right? I want to strike through, all right? It's one of the best tools that you can use here in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now, on top of that, I'm going to open another file, which is going to be this one right here, okay? Now, this file, it's a very easy thing to do. Go to the left side panel of your dashboard. There should be a tool that says strike through. You see that? Strike through selected text. Now, it would have like a tool. You see that a strike out cursor tool. All you're going to do is place it to the text that you wanted to strike through. You see that? It's very easy. Go again to the strike through tool. Right here. Maybe I'm going to choose this one. All right. Okay, and again, go to strike through this one right here. So you can do a lot of things. Now, for example, you went to the comment section, all right, and you add a text comment. So for example, here. And basically, you added your text here. The text should be in black, so it gets a lot easier. Now, obviously, this comment, if you want a strike through on your Adobe comment here, there isn't like you can also put an underline, but the thing is, it's not a native feature to strike through text in your comment, but instead you might want to use the other software, which is this website called Strikethrough Text Generator. Paste your text. You see there should be an option here to copy clipboard, and then from here switch over to your Adobe Acrobat, copy that and paste it, so you now have a strike through comment here alongside your document which has a strike through. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.